In this video, we'll be talking about creating and accessing quotes. New quotes can be created by clicking the quotes icon on the left-hand side and then selecting the Add a New Quote link at the top of the page. Add quote details as available and click the Add Quote button at the bottom. Note that only customer name is required at this point, and all other quote details can be added or edited later if desired. To add or edit your quote's products or services, taxes, or terms and conditions, click the Products and Services tab. Note that the products and services, taxes, and terms and conditions available for selection here are managed in the Admin Item Manager section of work. Please view the Item Manager video to learn more. A link to that video will be posted in the description below. To add new products or services to your quote, click the Add Products or Services button in the upper left. You can use the search bar or the category or type filters at the top to easily find the product or service that you're looking for. Click the Add button on the right to add the selected product or service to your quote. Enter the necessary item details and click the Add Item to Quote button in the bottom right. You can also choose to add custom products or services to your quote, one-off items that are not found in your item manager, by clicking the Add Products or Services button in the upper left and then choosing the Add Custom Products or Services button. Enter the necessary item details and click the Add Item to Quote button in the bottom right. To add new taxes to your quote, click the Add Tax button in the upper right. Select the desired taxes and click the Add Tax to Quote button. Existing quote products and services and taxes can be edited or removed by clicking on the pencil and garbage can icons respectively. Add your terms and conditions and internal notes to the quote as desired and indicate any required deposit amount. Once done, click the Save button in the bottom left. You can now preview this quote and save it as a PDF by clicking the Preview Quote/Save as PDF button in the bottom right. In addition to its products and services, your quote's basic details, related notes, files, and emails can be accessed by clicking on the corresponding tab within your selected quote. You can also choose to create a new job from the details of your quote, turn your quote into an invoice or email, delete, archive, or copy it. And that's all the information you'll need to know about creating and accessing quotes. If you need assistance, our awesome support team is always glad to help. We can be reached at 800-558-3054 or by emailing VCGSupport@vcgcorporate.com.